Hello peeps! Today we are at Sunway Pyramid to experience the Bungkus Kaw Kaw Junction event. As a fan of Bungkus Kaw Kaw, this is like a dream come true. For your information, the event is free to join and you will get the opportunity to complete games, collect stickers, to win random official merchandises. I will show you the full unboxing of the prizes I got at the end of this video. But first, let me go through the games I played. First up is the Snap Kaw Kaw photo booth. Just snap a pic, post it, and tag Bungkus Kaw Kaw to complete the task. Then we went to the welcome drink station to get a free drink and redeem the sticker. Here's the sticker! Up next is the Baling Kaw Kaw station to throw a pillow into one of these huge mugs. The face says it all, folks. And here's a sticker for your reference. Then it's time to beat this Patak Pro machine to get a sticker. It's hard for me and my friend, but we finally got it. And here's a cute nasi lemak sticker. Last but not least, we went to play the Kaw Kaw Mart game. This is the toughest game for me as I need to collect all the ingredients listed in under 15 seconds. I managed to get it in 8 seconds and I was so proud getting the achievement sticker. I felt so happy playing all the games as the staff were all friendly and the decorations at the event were so cute. It definitely has that warm Malaysian vibe to it and I felt welcome to explore their mini games and buy some awesome merchandises along the way. Well, now it's time for the lucky draw. I was targeting something cool and I was so happy because I won a free meal voucher. I mean, who can say no to good food? Meanwhile, my friend won the grand prize to immerse herself in a Malaysian Jellycat version of the experience. Shout out to my friend for winning this. Yay!
Nama dia cute Nana. Yang pula handsome DC. Satu handsome DC.
Like this.
Okey, suka timun.
Suka?
Yang ni boleh?
Boleh.
Boleh. Kita rasa ni apa? Ni boleh?
Boleh. Oh, menarik.
Pagi. Tapi dia boleh lah naga kat atas saja lagi kecil. Okey, kita tumis dulu. Siap satu sabar.
Yeay! Wow!
Alright, inilah nasi lemak dia. Yeay!
Bag!
Bag dia, okey ni.
Best bag. Siap boleh peluk lagi.
Sebab boleh. Lipat nasi lemak ni dulu. Ini dulu.
Wah.
Terima kasih.
Terima kasih. Bye-bye. Thank you all. And now I have my own nasi lemak plushie thanks to her. But of course, since there were so many people at this event, a lot of the merchandises were sold out. Unfortunately, we didn't manage to purchase the blind box to get cute mini plushies. But on the bright side, we did manage to buy a few merchandises as they were still in stock. And now it's unboxing time! It even has the butter. The butter is there. Look at it. Handsome Fizzy is the name, right? Handsome Fizzy. It's basically just rice with the sambal on top of it. Cucumber, mini peanut, egg, anchovy. Because we ordered extra spicy. Yay! It feels exclusive. Oh, okay, it's different. Thank you, Bungkus Kaw Kaw. All in all, it was the best experience I've had in my life. It was fun, joyful, and overall awesome! I would like to take this opportunity to thank Bungkus Kaw Kaw for the event held, along with the free gifts. You guys are the best. And I hope you guys enjoyed the experience as much as I do. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun contents. A Kaw Kaw to you all.